Hi ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Moto Craze, your one-stop destination for honest and in-depth motorcycle reviews. Today, we're checking out the 2025 Yamaha XT250, a dual-sport motorcycle that's built for both the trail and the tarmac. If you're looking for a lightweight, reliable, go-anywhere bike, stay tuned. The 2025 XT250 doesn't deviate much from its proven formula, and that's a good thing. The design remains rugged and purposeful. It has that classic dual-sport silhouette with high ground clearance, long travel suspension, and a narrow frame that's perfect for off-road maneuverability. The new graphics and color options for 2025 add a bit more style without going over the top, with bold decals and matte finishes that emphasize its adventure-ready attitude. Build quality is solid for a bike in this segment. Everything feels tight, and the minimalist design means fewer things that can go wrong. The round headlamp has been updated with LED lighting for improved visibility, and the overall weight remains impressively low at just around 290 pounds, making it one of the lightest street-legal dirt bikes in its class. As far as features go, it's basic by modern standards, but it delivers what matters. You get an LCD digital display with essential readouts like speed, fuel gauge, and trip meter. There's no fancy electronics suite, but that's not the point here. The XT250 is all about keeping things simple and reliable. You do get electric start, a smooth 5-speed gearbox, and updated suspension tuning for 2025 that improves its comfort both on and off the road. Powering this bike is a 249cc air-cooled single-cylinder engine that puts out around 19 horsepower. It's not built for high speed but for consistent, manageable performance across varied terrain. Top speed is approximately 130 km per hour, which is plenty for urban commuting and light highway use. What really stands out is the low-end torque and how easily the XT250 handles rocky paths, dirt trails, and tight urban streets. In terms of pricing, the 2025 Yamaha XT250 is expected to come in around $5,500 USD, keeping it competitive and accessible for entry-level riders and seasoned adventurers alike. Overall, the Yamaha XT250 remains a go-anywhere, do-anything kind of bike. If you're after reliability, ease of use, and true dual-sport versatility, this one's still a top pick. Subscribe to Moto Craze for more real-world reviews, and ride smart out there.